Nike Air Max Sunder. Gym Red 2025 colorway. You can see the sturdy fabric covering the base of the upper, superseding the characteristic shroud, before the mudguard's more conventional leather and synthetic accents break it up. This Gym Red Air Max Sunder stands out even more because of Nike's previous utilization of denim, which typically leans towards cooler or darker tones. The materials on this sneaker also create an unusual air. The tongue, which changes from the Nike Office Knotting 6453 to 1996, highlighting the Sunder's original release year, is another deviation from the silhouette's original design. When combined with the leather Air Max Sunder that made headlines shortly before this pair, the new features Nike is prepared to introduce further heighten our interest in the silhouette's 2025 evolution. The retail price is $180 US.